Hey, good morning, family. Welcome in, kings, queens, royalty of all sizes. Let's get it. Today is a great day. Happy Thursday. We're nearing the end of the week. I kind of want to do a community stream tomorrow. Let me know what y'all think of that. Just got a couple things to send out here. Let me know what y'all think. Could be a little fun. Yo, Jay, first and early, man. Let's go, king. Work, how we doing, king? Good morning, family. Danny, good morning, queen. Good morning. Come on, or I guess for Danny, a good afternoon. Here comes the market. Here comes the market. By the way, guys, I did see that I have to make I have to make another $63 over. So I have to make a total of 53,120 or something like that because of the over. Good morning, Mo. Welcome in, king. Let's go. Mad Max. Happy to have you boys here. Good morning, kings, queens, royalty of all sizes. What do we got right now? NASDAQ still looking to print higher. I think if we get through this range, I want to see the longs step through. Look at this liquidity flat line price for the last couple of days that we just finally swept through with this volume. And now we're right back into it. Very interesting. Very interesting here, guys. We just got this volume to finally push us through this flat price that we've been stuck at the last couple days. And now we're going right back there. This is what we said we could see yesterday, right? Just continuous slow grind up. We did end up getting that. And now we're trying to take out these highs. So, see what happens. Opening print candle, some selling. Am I muted? Can y'all not hear me? Good morning, Amy, Matrix and Aiming. Good morning, Kings. Let's have a great day, my brother. Let's see how it goes for me on Dow. So far, so good. He's in a trade. That man Work is in a trade on this Dow. Good luck, King. Let's see it. I believe in you. I believe in it. NASDAQ had this giant obstacle at these flat prices at these 680s. We finally broke through it, and now we're right back inside of it. So it's going to be interesting. I think anything up and around this price, I would kind of like a short, to be honest with you guys. Assuming that the sellers are serious. Still short from the 20s. Let's go, queen. Good entry up at the top there. Really great entry, Danny. ATR is only 12, so we have some room. We're now dojing, flipping. This gray line is the opening print price of the day, the daily candle. So we're starting to invert right now at a doji. See what we got to do. Good morning, Pobby. Let's go, king. Happy to have you here, brother. I think sells are going to be something we could be looking for in the Nazi here, guys. We finally swept up yesterday, continued to go sideways, got the pump, and now we're right back inside of the range. Wouldn't be surprised to find a little bit of a rotation to the downside here. First couple opening print candles are to the downside, so we'll see, though. Good morning, Diego. Welcome in, king. Same thing, GPT. Welcome in. Let's go with the W's. Good energy. Hope everybody's feeling great on this Thursday. Feeling excited, keeping the mindset in the right place. Lots of opportunity. If anyone didn't know, LucidFlex did keep their deals going. I'm going to take an attempt here, guys. I'm going to take an attempt at these 65, 80s, 70s, 80s if we can get a chance there. I'm going to have an order at the 75s for a short. I'm going to do 5, though. See if we can get an order fill there. Got caught in the 6 a.m. pump. No way, Diego. Sorry to hear it, king. There it is. Got it fixed. Can hear now. Let's go, Max. Close to hitting my TP. I'm going to show you on the IG if it goes well, brother. Hope it does, king. But LucidFlex, they kept their deal going for another 48 hours. So if you guys are interested in trading these LucidFlex accounts, yeah, they kept them going. Just thought that was interesting. So if it hits, I'm done for the 2 weeks. I'm done for the week 2 wins for the week. Wait. If this hits, I'm done for the week 2 wins for the week. Week 2 wins for the week. Hell yeah, Work. Confused me with that one, king, but I'm glad to hear it. Well, just blew up. What do you mean, Pobby? You're already in a trade? Looking for the longs? And the shorts are pulling through right now, family. Holy shit. Down into the 678s. We're not going to get our, I'm going to cancel our order now way up here. Clearly not going to get that fill. Look at this inversion here. All the way up to the top. Now we're pushing down to the bottom. I have a feeling we're going to go see these 423s right off this first impression. I'm going to be looking to join some of this momentum here soon. Holy cow. Big flush. Come on. Let's go, Queen. Huge trade by Danny. Let's go, Queen. My bad, Twin. You're great. Work, no problem. Good morning, bro. Good morning, chat. Pat, good morning, King. Short from the 709s. Can we get a W for Pat and Danny crushing this morning? Huge shorts, you guys. Fucking love it. Giant volume right there. 5,500 contracts roughly to the downside. Market is moving, family. Market is moving. Opening print candle was up at the 711s. In the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, we got down 160 points. Lots of opportunity that we're going to be seeing today. I'm pretty much going to be shorting any pullback. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Pretty much going to be looking to short almost any pullback that we get here. Looking to find a spot where this can make some sense. I'm going to get in. I have an order at the 626s. I want to see if it can come give us a fill up here. Looking for us to join this sell side momentum. Having a short at the 626s. Let's see what happens here, family. 618. Almost getting tapped into our shorts there.
Order filled.
Order filled. We got pushed in now. Let's see if we can find some continuation from these sellers at this EMA. I think I'm just going to let this have some drawdown. I don't exactly know where we could get a pullback to, but I'm just going to let this kind of play out. I have a confidence in the overall direction now, so let's just be patient here, see what happens. Let the market play out. This is a pretty early trade for us. Pretty early trade, so we got to just let it play. Also don't want to be too crazy with risk. Good morning, Joel. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Let's see some reaction off this EMA now. Otherwise, this V recovery could get a little dangerous for us. Want to find the shorts reacting at this price. I like where we got in. Just got to see a reaction. We're at the 26s, so 550 would be us passing the accounts. Maybe low a day, actually. All the way down here. Here we go. Sellers are clearly stepping in. I'm going to put our stop in. Buy 5 limit down at the 63s. I think I need closer to like low a day now. I'm also going to put our break even in. Buy 5 stop. Break even's on. I want to see these shorts continue to pull through for us here. Looking to the downside. If we can break through these 600s, we're looking decent. Might get a break even on our first offer here if we can't get this pull through these 6s. Come on, Nazi. Find me these selling. Get through these 600s here. If we get through these 600s, I like this to the downside. We obviously need to look for a little bit more to get the full move. Let's see some weight through these 600s. Could get interesting here. Big blacks, no wicks, family. Come on. Big blacks, no wicks. To the bottom here. Must be episode 164. Welcome back, Joel. Welcome in, Saucy. Happy to have you here, King. Let's find some selling here through these 600s. Looking to see these 550s trade again. That will be us passing these accounts roughly. Beautiful, quick move. Don't want to see any wicks at these 600s, though. I want to see us really be able to close through there. Not great reaction. Not a great reaction. Might get a break even. We're not going to let it frustrate us, though. We're going to look for another entry if we do get a break even. There's our break even.
Stop filled.
Might just take another attempt at it. I don't like that we're holding these 600s, but I like this to break to the downside here, guys. Crazy little break even there. Especially if this plays through now. I might be a little frustrated. It's better not be goofy. Look at this giant hourly candle starting to doji here, guys. Giant liquidity sweep. I still like the shorts here a lot. Just opened a new account. I'm up 661. I'm done for the day. I blew my other account, but shit happens. Hey, no worries, Poppy. You know it, King. Right back on the horse. Right back on the horse. We're all just getting better at trading. The market is starting to doji within this reaction. I still want to find some shorts. Gonna let it play out a little bit here, though. We might get a pop up into the VWAP. Maybe one more attempt up and around this price. Pretty strong recovery. I still like the shorts here the most, though. I'm gonna have another order on here. Shorting another one at the 545, 645s here, right below VWAP. See if we can get a fill. Looking to fade the VWAP. See the sellers defend it. Just missed on a fill there. This is kind of looking maybe like a V recovery. This might have been the move. What is, Queen? What's the move? Taking another attempt at this VWAP. If we get a fill at the 45s, we're at the 40s. Can we get 5 more points for a fill, Nazi? Do your boy nice. Do your boy nice. No way I'm going to get a ticked like that, dude. Give us a fill, Naz. Here's our steep line in the sand right now that we kind of want to see break. I'm going to take off our other order down here as well for now. Looking to fade the VWAP. See if we can get a fill. Trying to get a fill. No, it's not going to. Of course, it's not going to, guys. Are you serious? 43. We missed by 2 points. Still looking to join the selling momentum. I have an order now at the 27s, so I brought it down a little bit. The short's done. This might have been the move. You think the shorts are done, huh, Queen? Okay. It's a possibility. Me personally, I don't think so. I'm going to take an attempt at these 22s, see if we can get a fill. Has been struggling to get a fill this morning. Moved it down to the 20s. Oh my God, fill me. Are you serious, guys? Look at this. Fucking God. Oh my fucking word. Give me a fill, NASDAQ. Still, I think we take 550s. I think so too, Pat. I have 5 short contracts. Let's go, Joel. Huge. I hope not. I have a runner left, but don't know. Oh, here we go. Let's go, TLR. Good morning, King. Welcome in. That's so frustrating, guys. Fucking 2 points on our first fill to get a move, and then we just get this break even, and not like, God, frustration over here already. Don't know why. I don't know why I'm so vexed, but it's just because, like, fuck, fill us. If we were filled, we'd already be almost done this. Super frustrating right there. I love that we broke through this range. I'm expecting us to go snap lower now. Market fill if it keeps missing you. I know. I just like to fight for price work. But you're right. Trying to find some more here. Shorting more here at the 607s.
Order filled.
Got tapped in. Not my favorite entry now. Longs could get excited here. And if we are at the 604s, then I actually need like the 220s to pass. So don't love that. Gonna give it a little bit of room. God, I should have already been so done. Got stopped at break even. Was only up 15 points from TP. And boom, straight back to break even. Sorry to hear that, King. It's a big move there. 5K and I'm done. Let's go, Joel. Common fam, let's print today. Let's print today, King. Markets are doing stuff. Market orders all are the way, LOL. They're just scary, Queen. Just don't. I just don't like to do that. I like to fight for price. All right, got to put our stop loss in here somewhere. I don't love where we're at, these 600s. If we continue to defend the 6s, I think we could find some longs through here. So I want to just be a little bit patient and see if we can get some continuation, but I'm actually not liking this trade that much. Let's go buy 5 stop. Stop loss is going to be on now. Can we go flush out these 77s, please, and just get a little bit serious? You should have already tapped me in way up here. I cannot believe how close we were to getting a fill there and didn't get a fill. Struggling to find some sellers. Big defense at these 580s continuously. I think we could get a nice little pop, unfortunately. We're still below the EMA, so sellers are still defending that. I really do want to see these 550s get snapped through. I want to see these 550s get snapped through. I'm not going to put a take profit order on. I'm just going to have a break even or a stop loss right now. Just because I want to let this ride out and maybe just see some momentum if we do get some carry. But right now we're below the 600s. We're below the EMA. A couple decent things for our direction, but we're finding some struggling. As you can see, the sellers are struggling to find continuation. This market like a bouncy house, LOL. Joel, for sure, King. Big flush. Come on, Queen. Big flush. Big blacks, no wicks. Get through these 76s. From there, we should see the 50s trade. God, I still am like, as if we got that break, we just could not get a fill. We'd already be in such a good spot right now. Wouldn't even be worrying about this. But right now, we're at our break-even price because of that. Don't like that doji that much, but still in favor of the sellers. The reason I don't like this structure right now, guys, is because if we do find support, this thing will get really aggressively through here. If we start finding some support, we can find a really aggressive buying through here. Not a fan of it right now. Got to try to snap through these 70s. Shorting to the 421s. That's what I want to see. I want to see this bottom down here break, guys. This double bottom, these two big fat wicks. These are what I'm targeting. That's why I'm not going to have a take profit on. I think on the hourly chart, these 420s are super susceptible. We'll see what happens. Yo, there's 35 people watching, family. Means the most. Can we go ahead and hit the like button, show a little bit of support? You guys are amazing. Right now, we still have our stop loss up at the 624s. Really fighting for price at these 600s. Not loving it. If we don't snap through this bottom, we're going to get a reaction from these longs, is my fear. Look at these double wicks. Kind of really telling me we're going to get some buying volume. I might have to just take a little scalp here, guys, and then look to get more later because we're not getting... This is not great structure here. Unless it snaps now. Big black, no wick, heavy. Got to snap. Got to get through the range and not pull back into it. No wicks here, guys. You guys know the rules. Got to snap through this and get heavy. If we snap back into with a wick, I'm not going to like it as much. Might just close and look for continuation. I really do want to see this wick get taken out. And also, obviously, down here on the hourly chart, even more liquidity. But we'll see. Gonna put break even on now officially, guys. Don't have to be crazy. It's a free trade. We'll see what happens, but don't really love it. I think we're gonna get a little annoying reaction. We just swept the zone. Now we see. And break even. Just swept the zone. Now we find out, but I think the longs are really trying to defend here. Come on, sellers. Gosh. Today's interesting already. Sellers clearly in control, but buying is stubborn at these 580s. If we can't break through these 80s, we're going to go get a break even. Oh, I like that reaction. That's a decent selling candle. Battling at these prices, guys. Battling at these prices. Yesterday low, if she drops... If she drops, she goes. That's what I'm seeing, Queen. If she drops, she's going to go. We got to get through this break even. We really could get broke even at any moment right now. I'm going to try to make it a little tighter just to give ourselves that room. Come on, NASDAQ. Stay below this EMA and find the selling. My word. Of course not. Wow.
Stop filled.
Fucking wow, man. I mean, wow, man. Surprise, surprise, NQ not delivering clean moves. Surprise, surprise, huh, Sobs? Hey, you made $8. LOL, Pat, don't do me like that. Why in the fuck am I getting unlucky like this guy? I'm missing my fill by a couple fucking points. I get break even to the absolute tick. My God, man. Make it fucking make some sense right now. Oh, deep breaths. Deep breaths, guys. One time together, real quick. Just a deep breath. Because I am feeling stressed for some reason. Lots of volume. We're catching decent moves. We catch this short. Don't get fucking love. Miss our fill. Don't get love. Get break even. Don't get love. My God. You got this. Chill, King. Chill. This is chill. Next handle, we snap down. Joel, show me that. Because I need to see this thing break. This is fucking annoying. Don't care, man. I know it's easier than that said than done, but just attach and the money will come. Just don't even care. You're right, Pat. Appreciate you, King. Yeah, NQ wild. NQ just fucking... Are you kidding me? You just can't make it up. A perfect fucking top tick, and now look at us. You just can't make this shit up. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's just like, the fuck? No, but like, what the fuck? Keisha? Shit, son. We're going to get heavy selling here soon and go snap this bottom. It's like almost an inevitability. We're going to get heavy and snap through this bottom here soon. And it's going to be without me because I have to get fucking bottom ticked on every fucking move. God. I'm doing this one with 10 contracts. I'm taking a short on this move, guys. I'm shorting 10, or technically 2 per account at the 82. See if we can get a fill. WW on the $8 though. Just trying to make you laugh. You got me, King. You got me, King. I'm here for it. Can we get a fill, please, Nazi? At the 82s, are you just going to go without me like all lately? Just leaving without me. Please give me a fucking order fill. I don't like having to keep adjusting for price here. Now we're looking for the 79s.
Order filled.
Now we're in, but I don't love our position. Had to fight for it. Wanting to see this bottom snap through. Looking to just join this momentum to the downside here, family. Gonna have a stop loss on. That makes me feel sick. I actually and truthfully want the longs now more. We haven't... This is our liquidity here at these 550s that I need to see get snapped through. Show me these 550s snap through, please, NASDAQ. The amount of times I've been missed on orders today and just shit not going my way, you deserve to give me a little bit of love. Instead, you're going to hold this fucking 600 price, huh? Line in the sand is going to be the 600s, family. We got to stay below it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to close this for a loss. Come on, sellers. Can you get serious, please? 550s, easy liquidity. From there, we're going to look for the big wicks at these 440s. Obviously, can't take all of that. We only need 1,500, but... Come on, this is the candle. Can we get snapped through this bottom here? Please, NASDAQ. Go snap it. This feels doable. Break even. Stop loss is going to be on. Don't love it. Can we get through this flatness? Looking for the 550s to get pushed. From there, I'm going to have to put our break even on, just hope for the rest. We'll see. Oh my God, where are these sellers at, dude? Don't love this reaction down here, guys. This is ugly. King, you got to control your emotions a tad bit. You don't need to enter with 2. Well, I was getting in with 2 because I want to see this. I don't want to have as much range, Mo. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to just be able to look for a slightly less of the range. But now I'm going to take a fat loss because we're holding sideways. Of course. Actually perfect. Just classic bullshit, dude. Yeah. Yep. This is going to round out. Come give us a stop loss and then push to the bottom, huh? Sellers clearly being in control, and now not when it matters. Not to go take out this easy liquidity at these lows here. Yeah, I'm gonna get. This is gonna be. It's a tough trade. We're gonna get break even taken out on it. My word. I keep adjusting because I know I'm gonna get break even. I'm gonna get tapped out and then it's gonna go to our position and I'm gonna be really emotionally triggered. But we're gonna find out here. This is all just fake buying before the selling starts, and I don't understand the timing of it right now. Add your stop, bro. We will hit 550 again. Waterfall. Yes, sir. Here we go. Agree. Bull flag coming. Doji on the 5-minute. I'm out grabbing my profits here. It's a really good exit, Danny. I want to see these shorts try to go get this liquidity at the 50s. Pat knows it's coming too. Come on, Pat. Can we get down there, NASDAQ? I love that candle closure. Love that candle closure. Can we go get this easy liquidity? This feels like the easiest trade that just won't deliver. I can't even explain it. Feels like the easiest trade to this clean liquidity that is just taking its sweet delivery time. Get down there, girl. Come on. Big black, no wick. One time for the kid. Get through these 50s. From there, the reaction could be aggressive. Here we go. Break even is now on. Buy 5 times 10 limit. I need like the 40s to trade, sadly. Come on. Big flushes through here. Big flushes through here. Oh my God, I just got fucking ticked, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my God, man. I was looking for the fucking 40s and we touch it and go. Thank you, Pat. W's king. But damn it, dudes. These accounts are not passed because we just got fucking ticked by a hair there. Fuck. A lot of buyer orders resting there for sure. Literally touched it. It touched it, just didn't want to give me it. Just joined, that's what I like to see. Let's go, May. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here. Solid trade. Don't even think about it, bruh. More than halfway there. Don't gotta happen in one trade. That's just the way I like to do it, Diego. But you're right, King. I think she will go. Oh, well, win is a win, and now you've got drawdown. Let's go, Pat. Tickled 550, LOL. We got some drawdown now. We need, what do we need? By the way, guys, I think I saw take profit, or I just clicked the thing on accident. Right here is the dashboard for Lucid. So even though Top Step has that little bit of leniency, because we went 1563, we have to make 3126. So that's kind of where all these accounts are at. We need 126 over the threshold there. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it. God, what a fucking... Today's been today's been tickling me. Crazy short here that barely got broke even before the move finally plays out. We get the break even. We take another one here that... Look at this, by the way, guys. The edge of a top tick. And then finally it plays through. Now we're going back to the 550s. We swept it. And now the longs are trying to kind of do something here. If we close above these 75s, I'm actually going to look for a long position. I've been scalping 3 green trades up 701 today, locked out. Let's go, GPT. Way to scalp it in and out, King. I'm not good at that. Y'all gotta help me get better at scalping, because I like to look for the one direction. Like, that's what even Diego was saying, like, no, don't need to do it in one trade. Just what I like to do, sadly. Guys, the LucidFlex accounts, they extended the deal by 48 hours. They said we're extending it for 48 hours because that's how many hours it takes to pass account or whatever. But yeah, these flex accounts, they're kind of nice. I'm gonna let you guys know a little bit more as I trade them more and hopefully get a payout. We'll see. But if you guys want to give them a go, you can. They extended the discount for the Black Friday deal by a couple more days, so just up to y'all. We need 126, so I need $630. I take a trade as soon as I'm profit, set break even, and move stop as needed. Good management there, GPT. Good management, King. Not proud of my emotions today. Well, first of all, this first trade was like, ouch. Shorting VWAP, and then we got missed by a hair there. You guys watched that. Got missed by a literal tick here. You guys saw that. And then a break even. Gosh, like, we're right there. We're reading the market so well, but just a little bit, just need a little bit more love. So the tiniest bit more love. I still have 25k's with Lucid, the one-day pass ones that are in the funded stage. Once I fail them, I'll get 50k's with your code, King. You're the man, Mo. Good luck. Hopefully you don't bust them anytime soon, brother. Take a fat payout. 6 eval sizes, all priced at $196, then 60% off. 60% off all eval sizes. 60% off first month, 60% off reoccurring. $6 lifetime PA fees for the 6 sizes. 60 resets and 1 day to pass. Apex's new sale. So 6 eval sizes, all priced at $196. Then 60% off, 60% off all eval sizes. It's interesting how we all trade different, because I will rarely take a break even. I either scalp and take that base hit or take TP or stop loss. Kill or be killed, LOL. I love it, Diego. Kill or be killed, King. Apex milestone sale. 84.40 all in, all sizes. No fucking way. What do you think of TBM's video, bro? Pat, I really appreciate you sharing that, King. That opened my eyes up quite a bit there. And I do feel like now with this new Apex deal, baby, Danny's right. It's back. 5 days, 60% off evals. Let's find out real quick what the worth is there. I might have to go and try those out because, like you said, Pat, I have much more clarity now on how to pass these accounts and how to treat them and how to trade them. So I'm excited to get back in there. And now if Apex's deals are back, baby, we might be running some accounts up, family. I got to check out exactly what you're talking about, though, Danny, because what do we mean it's 60 all in? Could be kind of wild. Could be pretty awesome. Appreciate you for letting us know, Queen. Yesterday I got 5K from all 5 Lucids. Problem is that the 1K cap from the account I got. Damn, I'm so jealous. Apex is banned here. No, Apex is kind of nice that they're offering so many discounts right now. By the way, guys, did anybody see Tradeify's new plans? Holy shit. I think those are the next ones that we're going to try. Obviously, now Apex has their deals back, so we'll be trading them until the deals are off. But the Tradeify plans are really, really attractive. That's great, man. I really like how Matt just trades the 20 accounts and locks in base hits. It's really sustainable and powerful. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do, Pat. Just in and outs. I have to change the way I trade. That's my only issue is like I've built up my strategy to be looking for bigger moves. So I have to adjust a little bit, but I really like his entries, and it gave me more clarity on how to find like cheap trades for specifically Apex. You need to have certain cheap trades with Apex that helps you with drawdown, and he gave me a little bit more clarity on that. So crazy. I was just gonna mention it, dude. Tradeify's new plans family is insane, and after these flex accounts, depending on how they work out with us, and then we try Apex out, I'm gonna be trying some Tradeify accounts. They're fucking awesome. You have same day payouts. I think I like the red pill more. I honestly think I might switch from trading NQ. What are you switching to, King? What do you like better, Sobs? Gold? ES? I gotta change with markets. Trading is so hard. It really is, King. That's why we're here, though. We're trading for freedom. Trading for the chance to free our family. Trading to be the financial providers and have the lives that we want to have. Honestly, YM or RTY? What's the reason, King? Talk to me, Sobs. Why are you thinking like that? Look at yesterday's YM chart. YM chart for the NQ chart. I'm sorry, but both suck. Let's look at the YM. What's this man's talking about? Is it 6? YMZ6? Is it this one? Yo, can we just talk about this? Look at this YM sell-off. Holy shit, Sobs. I see what you mean, though. Just one direction. Not fucking around. Not weird about it. Just one direction. And then even this from yesterday, just one direction. These moves are huge, but it's just because of the range. I mean, we're at 47,000, so these moves are massive. Crazy work. No bullshit. 100-point pullbacks are insane. Opportunities, family. Always opportunities. NASDAQ still stuck at this bottom of the range from that giant sell-off. We sold off 150 points. 140 points in the first 6 minutes, and now we're at the exact same price right now. So be patient, see what happens. 10 likes, guys. Let's hit 20. Show the love, chat. Talk to me, family. What's up? Why we been struggling to hit that 20 lately? You know what I mean? Let me know. Let me know what it is, because we only at 10 out of our 20. Let's go, family. There's 28 incredible people watching, showing some love. Easiest way to do it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not. Most importantly, though, join this conversation. Get in this conversation over in the comment section. Be a part of this community. We are getting better and getting stronger every single day. 2026 is going to be our breakout year as a community here. Really like this candle closure on the hourly, guys. We actually closed pretty strong in it. This next hourly candle, I'm expecting to just kind of like probably chop sideways, go get this liquidity, maybe come up into the VWAP again. But overall, shorts clearly still in control. Having some selling volume here, so we'll see what happens. Don't be shy. We don't bite, except Pat. Pat bites. When did you start trading, King? Oh, Mo. First time ever trading ever. I lost $1,200 in options when I was 19. When I moved out of my house, so I was looking for income and I was gambling with stocks and options. I found options, lost $1,200 there. Then I came home, got into the AMC hype, and that shit was crazy. Lost 10 grand trading AMC options. Don't recommend that. So I was back around like 2020, 2021. Took a couple years off. Introduced my friend to trading at the time with prop firms. He kept going. I stopped doing it, started working. And then 2023, I started getting really serious about trading again. Yeah. Yep. Crazy. And now here we are. Coming into 2026 soon. Just make sure Tradeify has end of day drawdown and not intraday. Yeah, it is. The GPT, the Tradeify is end of day. Saucy Pat, let's go. Yo, Sauce, you gonna come see Pat when he comes up to comes up to Portland with us? I say that, but I'm also long NQ currently. Yeah, the man subs. I kind of like along with NQ as well. Like I said, I think we're gonna just chop in this range for a little while longer. Although I will say, usually when we're consolidating, after breaking in, we break out the way we broke in. So selling, consolidating, probably more selling later, but we'll see. Depending on how we get there, depending on what we do. We need $600, family, to pass these accounts. That's it. We got to dial in. We've had all the trades that could do it for us, but we need to find 30 points, 1 contract, 15 points, 2 contracts. We'll see. We'll see what type of trouble we can get into, but I fucking appreciate you guys for being here, spending your morning, watching this NASDAQ develop with me. Let's see what we can do. It's looking like it wants to take out the low a day here, possibly. Sorry that you're in the shorts, the longs there, Sobs. Finding some selling again. Def possible. When is that again? Sometime in December. Not exactly sure the date, Saucy, but sometime soon in December. Gonna be up in Portland. Come ride with the guy, hit a little session, get some food. But I spend my night. What do you mean? Harish, what do you mean, King? Be super patient since you're almost there. Don't risk more. Once these are funded, consider micro to keep the account safe. Good risk management ideas there, Pat. I am from India, but I spend my night. So it's nighttime for you? I get you, King. Short from the 80s. Danny. Fucking your entries lately, Queen, are just so beautiful. Great entry. Looks like we might get a break even, but that's okay. We love a free trade. I'm excited to see y'all. You too, Pat. It's going to be crazy, King. Going to be crazy. Apex has their deal back. What are they doing with that? I want to put a code in. I'm going to put it in to see what we're looking at for value. Can't use my own code, so I got to use Farmers. I like to use his just because he doesn't have to trade, guys. He makes a lot of money from his cows, and he doesn't have to post his shit. He makes a lot of money from his cows and shit and his lifestyle, but he's out there every day grinding, and I just respect it a lot. So with the deal right now, you put it in, you're saving quite a bit of money, $120. Not the most, because this account was like $38 yesterday, but the difference is it's only a $6 PA fee. So that brings it to $84. So it's pretty much the same price. It's up by like $6 or $8 total, because this is pretty much your all-in price. You don't have any activation fees. $6 activation fee. So pretty much this is your price, $84 all in per account. Pretty interesting, guys. Pretty interesting. Bro, thanks for showing every day. No worries, Joel. I'll be here every day, documenting the process, creating a space for us. Short Queen wants more. She does. She just needs it. Hey, what's up? Just checking in to drop a like. Was in the reds with negative 500 with gold. Got it back and plus before the market opening and got a good trade in. Now the greens plus 300. Freaking roller coaster. Let's go, Richner. Stoked to hear it, King. Sorry you had a wobbly morning, brother, but that's what we do. We can take losses and just make more than we lost, King. Glad to hear it. Appreciate you for stopping in, too. I will lock myself out just trying to get safe, not blowing my new challenge. 4 days green. Come on. I love it, King. I love it. Payouts coming your way. Just one micro, Pat. Great entries, though. That's what's been stellar from you. Stellar entries. I can't believe it. Apex deals are back, family. And then they're probably going to have a nice one for Christmas. Probably a nice one for New Year's. So they're going to keep some stuff rolling for us. $6 activation fees. Crazy. That makes all-in price pretty nice. We'll see what happens with it, though. Guys, it's such a tricky time to be not a tricky time. It's a great time to be a retail trader, to be us, right? We have so much competition between these prop firms. Tradeify just came out with their new plan yesterday. That's literally unlike anything else in the market right now. So everything is just continuing to advance, get competitive, keep getting more in our favor, essentially. These LucidFlex accounts, I've been really enjoying. Again, pretty cheap. In comparison to the market, it's incredibly cheap. $77 all in, no activation. Lots of different prop firms offering a lot of opportunity for us. So it's a great time to be us, guys. $6 activation fee. What's the point, LOL? They're greedy. That's the thing, Stop. They need their money. I know. Why not make it free? Be competitive. Like, I got a payout on Lucid a few days ago. Great company. Deposited in my bank account in the next morning. That's what I like. Dave, welcome back, King. Really enjoy having you here, man. Appreciate you for stopping in. I have a Pro and a Flex. Definitely recommend Flex, though. Right there, you heard it from the GOAT. Lucid, great company. Payout very fast. And the Flex accounts are superior. I agree. That's why I'm trading the Flex accounts. I really like them. And they just extended their deal by another 48 hours for the same 40% off. I'll show y'all. I will show y'all right here, family. 40% off still going. They added 2 more days. It says here valid only through the 3rd, but they updated it. It's valid through the 5th. And I don't know if this is true or not. Buy any 5 evals and get 1 free reset, because I bought 5. So I should have 1 maybe. I don't know. I haven't seen it. I haven't really looked for it though, so maybe I should look for it first. But yeah, good opportunities. $6 activation fee with Apex. I don't get it. We are in the golden age of prop firms, and I'm grateful for it. Absolutely, Pat. What up with Tradeify? Oh, King, let me show you. Guys, let me just, you know what I mean? Let me just show you. Tradeify, real quick. One time for the guy. Let me find it really quickly for y'all. Stop it. This is the thing, but I want to actually see it be. I forgot you can do instant funding with them too. Tradeify, I mean, Tradeify really doing stuff. Where's the thing that I saw though that shows the red and blue pill so well and shows all the differences between them? Oh, it's right here. This is what I like, though. You can choose your own path, and it's kind of insane. Choosing path, you can go daily payouts and take $1,000 out every single day. The reason I think this is insane is because if you think about the Flex accounts, which also are pretty good, but every 5 days you get a 3K payout. So every 5 days with 5 accounts, every 5 days you get $15,000 potentially if you had 5 accounts. This one, though, every 5 days would be $5,000 because you can take out $1,000 every day for 5 days. So you have almost 40% more money you can make by taking the daily payouts of the 5. The daily loss limit's a little bit interesting, but all in, guys, it's $95 no activation. Kind of a crazy account. 4 minis, $95. 40% is a little bit interesting. It means you need $1,500, but the daily payout, $5,000 every day, $5,000 every day you could take out if you have 5 accounts. Think about how crazy that is. In 3 days you can make 15 grand. 4 days 20 grand. Like, just insane. I really like it. 6 by 1 million accounts from traders, easy 6 million. That can pay for payouts, payroll for Apex. Exactly. That's what they're doing, GPT. I don't like Tradeify. No consistency accounts. 150K only has 1750 daily loss. No go for me. Lucid and Top Step are cheaper, by the way. Top Step is cheaper with their all-in count now. Yep. Price still in the same range. I know, Matrix. That's why we're not doing much right now. Just completely chopping at the bottom of the range. Usually when we break down and go sideways, we break out same way we broke in. So just going to be patient. I think we could get a pump up into the VWAP, and then from there I'm going to look for a short. Just being patient with it. Lucid is 189. Tradeify is 215. Just max out Lucid and Top Step first, then go to Tradeify after. I don't think it's 215, King. Like I just said, I think it's way cheaper than that now. It's $95 accounts, no activation fee. So it's very affordable. Top Steps, no activation account. So if you buy their $0 activation fee, it's like $89. So it's like competitive, but it's pretty much $90. You save $6. What's up with everyone doing $6? And I don't think, what else was the other one you said? I don't think the other one's that expensive either. Lucid's not 189. They always have nice deals too, so it's usually cheaper than that. But you have to be above the buffer for the daily payouts. That is a good point, GPT said. So if you are trading that, I'm going to try them for sure. That's really cool. I like daily payouts. Exactly, Pat. I think it's insane. You can take $1,000 every single day. It's 40% more than you could take out with the Flex accounts. It's insane. Oh, I'm talking about the 150s. I don't trade smaller accounts. Oh, you're a goat. Let's go, Dave. I love it, King. The man's got motion. Yeah, the 150Ks are priced. I agree. I hear what you're saying, King. That's why I love Take Profit Trader. Daily payouts, and they have no caps, I believe. No caps at all? Didn't know that. Can we, for the love of God, just get a push up here? I know, Saab. This is agonizing, King. Just completely chopping at the bottom of the range. Stuck below a bunch of levels. Boring. I still can't believe our full fill price. We'd be completely done with this day if we got this fill down here, guys. It's so painful. So painful, darling. Oh, princess. Princess. What are you thinking, princess? Got to get off. Quietly grinding, working better for me. Good luck, chat. I appreciate it, Dave. Thanks for stopping in, King. Keep working on your process, King. Keep working on that journey. We are sideways. Don't force trade, guys. I'm done for the day to wait for a better price action. It's the way to do it. There's not a lot going on right now, guys. I hate the idea of possibly ending the day $600 away, but we might be doing that. We'll see what happens. But really quickly, family, could we get some love in the like section? We've been trying to hit 20 every day. We've been just about getting there, struggling to get there lately, though. So if you're here and you find any value whatsoever being a part of this, it would mean a lot to just show a little love to that little thumbs up. From now, we're just kind of chilling. NASDAQ's not giving us a lot to look at. Giant selling 140 points in the first 6 minutes, and now we're just stuck in that range, consolidating near the bottom of the push. 13 likes. That's crazy. It's crazy, family. We used to hit 20 so easy. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why he ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why he ain't nothing. Tell me why he ain't nothing but a... Someone knows the vibe. Come on now. Here we go, Salz. We're starting to get the push up here now, King. Starting to get a little bit of momentum. Look at this round. Look how rounded we are here. Just a little bit of a whoop. Just a little bit of a something there. A little bit of a one time. A little bit of a. Sellers clearly defending the 600s all over again, though. Excuse me. 22 watching. So come on, guys. There's 22 people watching. So if y'all all just took the time to show the love button, we'd be at our goal, 20 likes. Instead, we're 7 short. Not sure why. Not sure why. Do I need a handstand? Headstand? Do I need to do a handstand? Sabi, what's your exit, by the way, King? What are you looking for? I'm in at 556. I like the entry. What are you looking for an exit? What are you looking for your take profit? For me, I'm finding a lot of resistance up at this VWAP. Kind of want to try a long down here, ironically. I was thinking maybe we were going to get some continuation towards VWAP, but nope. These 600s defending very well again. 600s into the 560s there. In at 556, you know I already hit that. I know you already hit that, Max. You're the man, King. 620s, 5-minute VWAP. Yep, looking for the VWAP is a good exit. That's the thing. Looking for the VWAP is a good exit. Right now, though, excuse me, those 600s finding some serious defense. Right now, that is what we're seeing. W day, Ty. W day to you two work. How'd the trade go on Dow, King? How'd it go for you, brother? Guys, I want to try those Tradeify accounts. Daily payouts. You can take out $5,000 a day if you had the if you have 5 accounts and you're crushing. $5,000 every day would be crazy. A little $5,000 a day. Do it for 3 days straight, 4 days straight, 5 days straight. Come on. All you gotta do is get over that buffer. So technically, oh my God, here come the sellers, family. Here come the sellers, family. 600s were the defense. Clearly defending that pretty well there. I'm going to look to get into this momentum, guys. I only need 30 points. I'm going to have a short order right here. 5 contracts. Sell 5 limit at the 36s. Kind of bold, kind of crazy.
Order filled.
Only looking for 30 points here. So we need the 500s to trade. Buy 5 limit, personally. Here comes the selling. See, we get through a low a day here. Find some more direction. Scary little move. Shorting the bottom of the range. Not my favorite to do, but I like the chances here. Not my favorite, but I like the chances here. I like the selling volume to finally pick up. I don't really expect the longs to defend too much more, but we'll see here. Kind of a risky trade on our part. If we can get through these 520 bottom, I think we're clean to the downside. Otherwise, we could just come back up into this range here at these 50s. See what happens. Not going to let it get too crazy on me. Basically, the EMA, if we get a closure above EMA, I'm going to have to take a loss. Otherwise, I want to see this keep pushing to the 500s. Might even take a second attempt up here at this EMA, honestly. I am. I'm going to take a second attempt right here.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in. Now we have 2 contracts. The reason I did that was just to average our price out. I have to manage this adjust accordingly now, though, guys. We don't need the 20s to trade anymore. Or no, we need... Yeah, we actually need like the low a day here. And I think that would be pretty much being done for the day. We'll see the sellers defend this EMA here. I want to see a little bit of reaction. Don't want to see a V recovery out of this price. Could get dangerous for us. Could get dangerous for us. Don't really want to see a V recovery out of this price. Not going to close too early, though. Oh, no. The fuck? The longs. Thanks, man. Trading been great recently. It just feels good and makes sense. At a stop loss and straight back up. Yo, Tyler, it's been too long, man. How everything going, brother? Yo, Ronnie, welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Doing great, man. Doing really good. Hope you are too. Long from the 535. Let's go, Matrix. That means that you're fading me, King. I don't like that. Volume. I think I'm absolutely cooked on this. We had nice volume to push through the range. We took a short continuation, and now I think we're smoked. Painfully. Painfully. I think the longs are just going to keep reaching on us here. I'm going to let these 6s try to defend the way that they have been, but it feels like I'm actually on the wrong side now, family. Fuck. How quickly, huh? How quickly the turntables turn. That's a really strong candle print as well. Oh, my word. All the way to the other end of the table. Wow. Wow. Feels really painful there. All the way to the other end of the table. How frustrating is that? Now there's just no selling popping back up whatsoever. My fucking word. All morning. And now just the buyers at 10:30. Really? Really? Only reason I'm not selling this is we're at a flat price where we could obviously find a reaction back towards our prices. Otherwise, this is not really a great trade right now. Just letting the shorts give me a chance. Wow. It's not going to. I got no clue what my trade is doing right now. Whole screen black. That 20 was a big support. 20 was a big support. Yeah, well, this is fucking cooked. I want to flip over to longs at this price at the 64s, so. But it's not going to give us a chance. We'll just keep pressing higher here. Holy shit. If we get a push down into these 60s, I'm going to close and flip long, guys. But this is really not good. Stop loss has to be up and around, really above this price here. Stop should be like here at these 612s. Feels really bad. I don't even know if I have the drawdown to afford that. This is all morning, though. Like, seriously? Oh, my God. Get out and flip. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do, but I can't. I gotta wait for a decent price for that, but I do want to fucking get out and reverse. Buyers defended that 20 well. I'm with Danny. I like it too. I like the decision there. I'm just gonna give this one more chance for these sellers. EMA is gonna be the clear spot, but even though we're not finding any selling whatsoever right now. Tricky, guys. Very tricky here. Tough day. Wanting to see this EMA try, but I think we could just get a fly up to the VWAP here, unfortunately. Thing is, I still like the shorts. I honestly, guys, might not even just touch it. I either might let these go bust us because we have $1,000 in drawdown from here, or we get another push to the lower day and take our profit. You know what I mean? That's kind of what I'm thinking. Watching my trade through Ty's stream. Stop, that's crazy. If it goes to 600, it's a wrap. Wait, I think we're back. Come on, King. Come on, Sobs. Find the love for the guy. We might be wrong here, family. We have $700 in drawdown. Here comes the 600s. I'm 100% just going to let this trade play out. We're either going to bust at our, $2,000 drawdown, or we're going to get this to rotate back to the downside for us. Although I will say our entries are just pretty weak. And we have so much momentum to get through back towards our prices. I don't know. I just don't like the longs. I just am not a fan of the longs here, guys, to be completely transparent. I've seen this day play out. Kind of glad it crashed because I would have closed on that heavy drop, laughed my ass off. Top step, of course. I'm working in construction now, making some money for the first time, but I'm hella scared to start trading. Feel like I'll just lose everything in 1 hour, laugh my ass off. I have no clue what I'm doing. Well, that's a great spot to be, King. Welcome to the community where we'll help you out on your way, brother. You got some opportunities. Start small, have decent expectations, and the rest will come. I like that the sellers are still defending these 600s here. I think we have a chance to keep pushing to the downside, but I'm just going to be patient. I really don't like that we're just chopping sideways at these 6s. Feels like we're going to break up here. Feels like we want to break up right here, family. That's why we trade props. Don't have to break the bank. Exactly, subs. They denied my minus 341 due to outage on Wednesday and told me it came CME fault on Friday. They denied my minus 341. So they gave you some money backs, Queen. We love that. W top step. W top step. You got nerves of steel, King. Hey, I appreciate it. Joel, we'll see. We're mostly wrong here, but what can we do? It's a tough trade. I still really prefer the shorts here. I'm just hoping at this point, our drawdown, if we go get a flash to VWAP, I can afford it and don't get stopped out because I still expect the shorts to win today. Very much still expect shorts to win today. Just in between the moment of how we get there. Can I afford it? I don't know. Really, really still think shorts win the day. So we just got to be able to forward the distance. Here comes the VWAP though, the 610s, 615s. There's the VWAP flash. Now we just got to hope the sellers are going to defend it. Otherwise, we're going to be wrong, and that's that.
Order filled.
Nope. Fucking course. Awful. Awful. Could not be worse. No, I lost 341 and they won't give it back. No, I lost at 341. They won't give it back. No way, Queen. I thought it was a minus 341. That's so annoying. I don't know why they would. They took all your profits. What's props, LOL? Prop firms, proprietary firms. You can trade different props with leverage. So that's what we're all trading here, Ronnie. Like this $2,000 isn't real money. It's props money. So I was trying to get funded to get allocation of liquidity, and that's what that is. Saying it's CME fault while it's clearly happened on Wednesday but didn't close until Friday for some reason. Insane. Let's go. Sorry, Ty. No worries, Sobs. I'm glad it worked out for you, King. Hey, let's go. Past 5 combines. Sorry, King. Sorry, bro. No worries, y'all. No worries. Appreciate y'all. So close yet so far away. Sorry, Ty. My fault. My fault. Just looking for a littlest continuation there, and I fucking got baited like a This is poor trading. Yeah, today was bad. I love the new setup, Tyler. I know the day is going bad, but there's no light without dark. You're the king. Yeah, you're the king, Ronnie. Appreciate you, brother. The day wasn't going bad until like 6 minutes ago, but never a bad day. Just a tough trade. Tomorrow will be your day, Ty. We'll see. Please use a stop, bro. $500 stop. You would have still been up 400 in the day. Just trying to help, bro. You right, Pat. I mean, there was definitely no reason to let that get too wild there, but you know, happens to us. Happens to us. I usually almost always have a stop, so it's not like that's a common thing there. I blew my account, was up 1.7, and boom, gone, and I opened another one, and I'm up 661. Let's go, Pavi. Way to get back on the horse, King. All out, and I had a screen recording, too. Oh, my God. And you had a screen recording, Queen? No fucking way. L top step for sure. No way. This is such clearly buy side of the curve. I'm just kicking myself in right now. Terrible. We got this beautiful sell side of the curve. Starts rounding out. We have the buy side of the curve come in. One more manipulation dump before the fucking... Why did I get manipulated? We're too good for that. I got manipulated so hard through here. Look at the volume to come in, force us through the level. 4 shorts. I'm one of them. And then the liquidity to go up to the upside. It's a very clean trade. Obvious trade to the longs here. Just... poor management from my part. Happens, man. You're absolutely right. Don't worry at all. It happens. Bro, just hate that I oversized with 5NQ. I just can't do 5MNQ or 1NQ. Help me out, Ty. Hate I oversized with 5MNQ. I just can't do 5MN or 1NQ. Why not? Why not, Bobby? Why can't you just do one account? Why one contract, King? Just let it ride. Bro, you're looking saucy in your profile picture. Let my tough. Keep up the grind, man. Let's go, Ronnie. Why am I like this? Yeah, I'm not a fan currently, but still working on this combine. But we will look for others soon. Yep, L top step. But you got to pass that combine, and then we're going to try Tradeify. I guess I'm going to try Tradeify now. I guess I'm going to be flipping over to Tradeify now because we just blew our fucking combines. God, $600 away. And actually, it wasn't even fucking $600 away, guys. It was literally this not ticking us by a fucking tick. This fill should have been enough. Oh my God, it was one candle short, man. That's so painful. One tick from passing these accounts, guys. But so many ticks, by the way, because again, we got break even on this trade that ends up playing through. We should have offered a little bit of downside on it. Second trade, we literally get break even by a fucking hair. Third trade, we don't even get a fill on the move before the push. God, tough fucking day, honestly. God, that's so frustrating. By a tick twice today. We don't get filled. I forget where it was, but we were looking for a short fill that we didn't get filled on. Oh, it's so painful. Oh, it was up here. It was this trade right here. Didn't get a fill on this one, which would never came back to break even, so we would have got the... Oh, it's so fucking annoying. Damn, what happened, King? Mo, we never got the love, brother. We never got the love. And I traded like shit. The simple fact of recognizing yourself being like that is why you're like that. Phase. Be aware of your mindset and shift it. It's always your choice. I love that, Pat. Way to share some insight. Bro, it's so hard. I just hate that I can't do NQ1 because I feel like I'm passing my account so slow. Brother, you just saw me blow. You see me pass accounts and blow accounts with one contract all the time. It is not slow, King. One contract, Pobby. One NQ moves. Promise you, she moves, King. All Apex size accounts, 84.40 all in right now. If you, yeah, no, you're right, dude. They're fucking like 60% off and then only a $6 activation fee. So 60% off is pretty nice. Problem is the expensive part is passing. So you have a chance to pass 78 bucks or something like that, and then it's only $8 or $78 to get the account. And if you pass, there's only $6 activation fees. They just came out with it. You should have a free reset, FYI, on the Lucid, I believe. I think I probably do after buying the 5. I just haven't looked where it is yet, Diego. Free reset on every 5 accounts. Nice. We have a free reset in the bank. But I think I'm going to try out Tradeify because they have those really new plans that are kind of sexy. Single day payouts. You can take out $5K a day. Pretty crazy. Otherwise, probably going to try out Apex while they have their deals going on right now. I do like these LucidFlex accounts, though, and there's only 2 more days of those. So I'll probably buy... I'm going to buy 5 more accounts with Lucid. Buy some Apex accounts, and I'm going to try out Tradeify. That's kind of what I'm thinking. 100% Pat. Just grab 75 points with 1 micro. Let's fucking go, Sobs. Good trading, King. I feel like Apex has no choice to do these prices. They are the more expensive than any other firm than their normal PA prices. I know they have to do something to stay competitive, Danny, which is nice. It's in our favor. Hopefully brings them back to reality. That's more than I'll make at work tonight. Trading has a funny way of skewing our outlook on money. It does. It does, Sobs. I know, bro. Like, watching you gives me hope, but I'm like, nah, I want to do 5MQ, but that's insane risk. Just too much. Just too much, Pobby. Let it be 1, King. Trust. For a while, how about this, Pobby? You want to be successful, you want to do these things, right? Then just give yourself the time for the next 3-5 combines you do. 1 contract, one mini contract. That's it. In and out with it. Just stick to that for 5 contracts, 5 combines. See how you do. Just use the free reset now and YOLO it. Nah, Mom. I'm going to keep it in the bank. I appreciate you, though. $100 on the screen is different than when you get handed $100. I feel like everyone, including me, 100 is a lot of money. 100, you get handed a $100 bill, it's like, damn. All right, shit. NASDAQ gives you a $100 bill, 5 points. You're like, go! I need 30 more points. I need more. Absolutely. Yeah, it's a sick deal to get into 300Ks, but having to make 20K with a $75 trillion drawdown is tough. Sick deal to get into the 30Ks, but having to make 20K with a 75. It's almost, that sounds almost impossible, Thomas. 7,500 in drawdown to make 20K. I don't, that is tough. Same here at Danny. Is that, Tim, is that even cheaper actually, King? Because before it was 80% off with $40 PA fees. Now it's 60% off with $6 PA fees. Is that really cheaper for the 300Ks? You know how many packs of diapers I can get with $100? 2. I can get 2 packs of diapers. How lucky, Sobs, huh? Sadly, I didn't get the new activation fees accounts as I expect to blow the accounts, but now I passed first try. Of course, Matrix. Sorry to hear it, King, but at least you're in there, brother. LOL. 2 weeks worth of food for $100. Not here in the U.S., but maybe if you're really good with your money. Yeah, that's facts. I got my first credit card, and it's crazy how weird it is. Feels like paying with digital money. Yes, sir, Ronnie. That's the future. What should be my risk? Because, man, every time I'm down 200 plus, boom. there I go, adding 4 more NQ. So now I'm seeing what you're seeing, King. Hey, look, guys. I just fucking suck. This is going to come all the way back to low a day. I'm telling you right now. So fucking agonizing. Gosh. We were so close so many times today. Literally once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. 4 times we were within a few points of passing today. It's just crazy. That's trading, though. So it's just another day. Yeah, it should be. What should be on risk? Just keep it small. Keep it consistent, Pobby. I always risk $300 typically. That's me though, so don't do that. I would always risk 15 points to make the rest. Oh my god, I want to short this so bad.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
But yeah, man. And once you're taking your drawdown, just keep the drawdown because you can still get out of that easy, King. I promise. But I'd do that, bro. I need to change. Exactly. Yep, crazy. I make 400 in a couple of seconds, and I'm still complaining, LOL. FaZe, I mean, this is the best way possible, brother, but you will never be successful in this game long term if you can't control your ego, your emotions, or risk management. I want you to win, King. Love it, Pat. Got to control all those things, Bobby. Nah, food is crazy expensive. Bro, what? You don't suck. I do suck. We got cocked on this fucking long, on this short, and then the longs had to just bring it up just strong enough to bust us into the 630s, and now we're right back in our range. It's so frustrating. But no, you're right. I don't suck. That's loser self-talk. We're winners here. We're all champions. We're all kings. We're all queens. But fuck, the NASDAQ knows how to tickle you sometimes. Knows how to tickle you right in the dick hair sometimes. Look at it. It is going to come back to low a day, and I'm going to have just to cry about it. Yeah, that's NQ for you. A real tease. Joel gets it. She just knows how to tease. $100 is my whole month of gas. Probably same, Mo. Probably about $100 we can get a month in gas. My ego gets the best of me. I hate it, but thanks, Pat, because that's so true. Let me hear it, Pat. What's the recommendation, King? I need it. I like to break it down into trades, Bobby. So like if it breaks, if drawdown is 2K, so if I risk $200 a trade, then it gives me 10 trades, and if I'm wrong 10 times in a row, then I shouldn't trade. No, I like that concept. That's why I was going with 300 point stops, because on a $200 draw or $2,000 drawdown, that gives you like 6 trades, and truthfully, I should be able to find a winner in 6 trades, and a winner usually is my biggest winner that eats all my losses, but we'll see. It's hard to not get emotional or react when staring at the charts nonstop. TBM always waits first 15 minutes to trade and does small gains on stream to keep himself occupied briefly. It helps him be more patient and wait for better setups and keeps his emotions in check. I don't mind that, Pat. Problem is, though, King, look at this. I took a trade in the first 6 minutes of the market. We got break even. But if I took a better fill up around these 50s, or I took a stop loss on it, like let my stop be above VWAP or something. If I manage this first trade better, winner. If I manage the second trade better by like a same thing, offering a better... This second trade is really tough. That's a really fucking painful break even. Look at that. And also, that was in the first 16 minutes. So that one would have been in TBM's rules there, the first 15 minutes. I hear you. It's just sometimes there's nice price action. I don't always take trades early, but... something to keep us distracted is a good idea, Pat. What's your price per gallon where you live? Mo, it's like, depending, but I'm always trying to get around 3. Sometimes I can get like spots at 296s. Sometimes I can find spots at like 3010, like 310, 308s or something around there. But that's usually what I'm looking for. 390. Ooh, $1 more. Agree. I also recommend using a fib. It's just an extra confluence you can stack on your top of your strategy. It'll help get you better fills. I do need to start dialing my fills a little bit tighter, I think. Because, I mean, look at... We took our short pulling back into this bottom. And instead, we had to come up. I mean, honestly, that's... that's a good fill, too. Like, I am not upset with my trading today. Took a beautiful short here, looking for the continuation. Unlucky. Beautiful short here. Break even. So fucking unlucky. Miss another fill there. Get this to push through for us, but not enough. Painful. Just a painful day, family, all around. And now look at us. Right back towards my fucking fill price. I mean, you just can't make it up. We traded well today. Just didn't work out. And that, truly, guys, all in a nutshell, that is what I want to highlight today. That is trading, okay? We did a lot of things really well today and still have a big, fat loser on our hands. So... don't beat yourselves, guys. Don't beat yourselves up, guys. This is a long journey, and we just keep doing it. We just keep showing up. We keep playing because we're here for freedom. We're here for our family. What's your Feb setup, Pat? Great question. Mine looks like a big bag of Skittles. Yeah, I'm not into this Apex deal at all. It's worth money-wise to do 300Ks, but passing these is going to be diabolical. Just want my 50Ks, man. Come on, Timothy. You think it's more worth the 300Ks than the 50Ks? I don't get why. They're both 60% off and the same activation fee. So it's pretty much the same. As the 50Ks are only like $6 more than they were yesterday with the other deal, Tim. Also, my problem is I trade on quick bursts like this. It feels good when it goes your way, but when it doesn't, boom, account down. Yeah. You have to change the settings. One thing I learned is don't chase the results. Chase the process, because the process is what matters in the end. That's it, King. That's why we keep showing up. We keep showing up every single day with the right mindset, looking for the same things, and eventually We're going to be rich from that. Like right now, this is a short of a lifetime, I feel like. And I don't know. We'll see. Yes, golden zone or something like that. That's what they call the golden pocket. Because 300Ks are normally a lot more. Let me... Excuse me. Let me see here. Trade of 8. 300K trade of 8. Oh my God, we did so many good things today and still are just big fat losers. What a day to be alive. Holy shit. Tim is correct. Tim is so correct. These 300Ks. 300K contracts, 35 contracts in trade of 8 for Apex. You put the code in right now and you're saving $117. It's a $78 account. With a $6 activation fee, it's $80 for $300,000 of fucking holy shit. Tim, I didn't know that. I didn't realize. Oh my God. $84 all in for 300K in drawdown. Or 300K in funding. 300K times 20, you're looking at $6 million in funding. $6 million in funding for like $1,600. Yeah, dude. Okay. So you're looking for a move. You're looking for a full move to 60 to 78% and then enter. It shows you premium price, and then there's almost always some sort of reaction in those zones. $100 win on that short with 1 micro. Let's go, Queen. And you can take $3,500 per payout versus 200. Oh my God. Might have to give him a spin. Fuck. Might have to give him a spin. Would you ever consider trading something like crypto? I know it's all rug pulls and meme coins now, but like Bitcoin or something. Yeah, absolutely, Ronnie. I'm very much into crypto. I think it's going to be our future of our currency at some point in the future. Maybe not in the way that we all think, but I absolutely think it's going to be tethered to us more than we know. So absolutely all in for crypto. Bro, don't fall in this trap. It's impossible with trailing. It is really fucking hard, Mo. You YOLO those accounts on PMI news. That's actually a good point. That is the best way to get a good chance there. TBM traded 2,300Ks one time. It was wild. 6 million in funding. 6 fucking million funding. What? You can make $6 million by spending $78? No, Ronnie. You can spend... I love it, Question King. No. You can get $6 million of funded from the prop firm. So again, prop firms are proprietary firms that offer leverage to traders to trade their liquidity. And if you pass an account, which is $78 to try, and you can prove yourself, and you can do it 20 times, then they will give you an account worth 300K in funding, which means you can trade up to 35 contracts. So you could have the potential. You have $6 million in funding that you can use to try to make money if you can pass the $80 account 20 times. And actually, you only have to do it once because you can copy trade accounts. So you have to really do it one time, but it just is. It's a $1 one-time fee times 20. What do you think about Jay Dunn? Not really super into him. I've seen he tried to do the prop firm thing, and then he was paired up with Danny, and Danny doesn't know what he's talking about, and just, I don't know. I just kind of feel he's like he's like one of those influencer dudes, you know what I mean? That just wants, I don't know. That's my opinion on him. I don't have a whole lot though. They're normally 787 versus 50K normally being 187. $600 more for the funding, which is 6 times the funding. Doesn't really make any sense, but just wow. It's also harder than it sounds. Exactly. Very much harder than it sounds. You can, but Ronnie, you can though. You can make $6 million. You can make $1 million payouts with Apex. You can really do some crazy shit with them. But it is just, like they're saying, much harder said than done. Always with that gold watch. Yeah, I don't know about it. Look at this. Why did that volume come in to bust us when we're right in the right fucking range? Like I said to you guys, shorts are going to win the day. That was my reason for holding. Shorts are going to have the day closed down around here. Swear to fucking God. We're going to come take out this hourly. Look at this hourly candle, these 2 wicks. This is where we're heading. When? I don't know. How we get there, I'm not sure. But shorts are going to win the day, and I fucking just lost waiting for it. Honestly, my favorite person to watch is this small but up and coming trader. I forget his name. I think it's something like Tyler Candy or Tyler Camry. Subs. Let's fucking go, King. You're the man. Tyler Camry. That's hilarious. I have a Camry. That's fucking awesome. Yeah, this guy is kind of goated. You're the man, Ronnie. That was a W sob right there. Cam and the Camry. God, I didn't even cut it together. Give me my little whip. I just want a little Toyota whip. You know what I mean? Toyota takes care of me. A little Camry will take care of me. That's what I was told. You get a Camry, it'll take care of me. And so I was like, oh, I like to be taken care of. I mean, sold. Sold. Give me my 30-20. Give me my 2300Ks. Sold. Show me that it's worth it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, family. I think we're going to call it here today. I've seen enough pain. I've felt enough pain. This is going to come back and just hurt me. Like I said, I think shorts are going to win the day, but we will see. Best investment advice I've heard right there. Ain't nothing better than Tory Trades. Bobby. She's a scammer too. I don't know if she's a scammer. She's just, she's in her own lane. We'll see what happens. Finish the week strong tomorrow. We're going to dial in. I'm not sure what accounts we're going to trade. Maybe Lucid accounts again, these LucidFlex accounts. Maybe Tradeify. I'm going to buy LucidFlex accounts while the deal's going on. I'm going to buy some Apex accounts while the deal's going on. And then I think I'm going to try the Tradeify deal because they're only going for a couple more days. And I really want to try to get the daily payouts. So I think that's the strategy. I'm going to spend some money on these Apex accounts, buy some LucidFlex accounts, and then try to trade the Tradeify accounts tomorrow because those have a single day to pay. Also, guys, I was going to do a community stream tomorrow. I wanted to have somebody on. Who's going to probably be Max, but he's not in here. So what do we think? Would you guys want to do a community stream tomorrow? And who should we have in there? Also, if you guys are trying to do what I am doing and trying to load up on some accounts while it's worth it, you guys know this is where it's worth it. LucidFlex accounts, code Trading for Freedom as always. Or if you guys want to load up on the Apex accounts, you know what it is. They are really cheap activation fees right now. Same thing, Trading for Freedom, but do what you guys want. I really like the Tradeify options, so we'll see what happens. Hit the weight, seriously, man, and detach from these accounts and meditate. I promise it will be a game changer if you truly detach. You're right, Pat. I'm going to try. W stream, Tyler. Have a good rest of your day, brother. You too, Ronnie. Thanks so much for stopping in, King. You have some hidden money plants with these weed plants in there, LOL. Just hard work, Danny. Just hard work, Queen. I've been working really hard for years now, so I do have some extra liquidity, and I like to throw it at prop firms. Why? I don't know. Just kidding. I do it for freedom. I throw it at these prop firms so that we have the chance to change our lives. It sucks. It sucks to spend money, but it's the only way to make the money, and we're doing it for our family. We're doing it for freedom. Guys, this contract is back to break even now. Why? NASDAQ, what the fuck is this bullshit? Look at this. Look at this. God, we were so close so many times today. It makes me just, God damn it. Like the NASDAQ has no love. No love for the boy. Let's see Pat's fib setup if he's down. Workout time. See y'all tomorrow. I know, just joking. Spend your money the way you want, King. No, I appreciate you, Queen. Everyone have a great day. Some cardio. Hit the weights. Already made me forget about my shitty day. Pat, he's not wrong. He's never wrong. That's why I'm switching to the Dow. All right, so we probably won't have a community stream tomorrow just because I'm not sure. It'd be tough to coordinate. I might still try to surprise you guys, but we'll see. Either way, I fucking love you guys. Sobs, Diego, Danny, Corey, Ronnie, Pavi, Mo. Thanks so much. Obviously, Thomas, Pat, I don't know if you're still here, but thanks for spending your morning, guys. Good luck if you're still trading. We'll see what we can do tomorrow. And we're going to end the week strong. No matter what, keep that mindset in the right place. Hit the weights, train the body, drink some sun, get some water, hug someone you love. I'm not on Tyler and Max's level, bro. Maybe in the future. Nah, bro. We still would love to have you on, Pat. Peace out, Cub Scouts. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Drink some sun, get some weight, hug someone you love, get some water. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good luck if you're trading. Peace, family.